Again, I'd like to welcome you guys back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, John Shaft. This is what you call a watch list position. Like I say, a lot of times if you are investing in the market and you are using the Robinhood platform, they give you an option to buy a particular stock, or you can add to what you call a watch list position. And this is one of those positions. This is where you place that stock on a watch list, and then you watch that particular stock to see how well it is doing or how well it isn't doing. This particular watch list position was placed 8/29/2024. Expiration date is 2/21. Break-even price is 155.65. Current price is 126.18. Total returns for the day on this particular watch list is minus $836. And let's go on and look at the Greeks. This is the Greeks. You have the Delta, the Gamma, Theta, Vega, and Thor. The Delta on this particular strategy is on 15.58. That's a very low delta. An ideal delta would be say something like 30, 40, even greater when it's like 60 or 70 percent when you have a really great delta. And so this would be one of these particular watch list positions that I wouldn't actually move on, because it's still negative $833. And so let's go to Inventador this morning and look at it. So actually, Inventador is up $1.26. It's up by $1.70. And again, this is my current position on Inventador. And the thing about doing options on such a company like this is that if you bought 100 shares of this particular company, then you will need about this amount of money in order to get 100 shares of that. And the thing about placing options like this, which is just in the watch position, it gives you control over 100 shares without having to come up with $10,000 or $15,000. So here you would place a 1 there. It's just for demonstration only. 1.33 highly likelihood. Let's go down here, and this would be your loss column. Your loss column is at a minimal as well. And this will be your profit. I'm starting at the black dot on into the green area. Let's see. This actually is dated for 2/21, so you will hit review. Actually, I wasn't planning on doing this, but it's looks like such a good strategy. Let's see. Look at this again. So this actually gives you control over 100 shares of this particular company without you having to come up with $10,000. It's only cost me $133 in order to buy this particular strategy. So I still have $1,700 left in buying power. And so far, this is the option here that I just put in place. It is a call, meaning that I'm expecting for it to go up in value. And the actual expiration date is 2/21, so it gives me a little less than a month in order to make a profit on this particular strategy. Still, it's not but 16 delta. I usually like to go to a higher much delta, but still, like I say, this actually gives me control. This actually gives me control over 100 shares of this particular stock without having to come up with 10,000 more in dollars. So I just decided I'd make this quick video about this watch list position strategy. And I probably won't release this until like tomorrow morning. Until then, hopefully you guys still enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday morning at the opening of the bell. Again, we thank you for watching.